Here is the central monitoring room that centrally and remotely controls the manufacturing site. This room has a monitoring system for viewing the robot's operating status and manufacturing progress in real time. As a particular note, you can monitor the robot's movement and waveform while welding in real time by using the robot's monitor function. It is additionally useful towards improving welding posture and conditions. By using both the live camera footage and digital display, you can efficiently monitor the manufacturing site from the central monitoring room. By connecting the manufacturing site's robot to an intranet, you can see the robot's operating status remotely. You can also use this function to analyze the production line's operation rate and to improve the production process. This system will help to optimize the entire factory.